regret this so much.
Hey, it's Nikki.
And it's Kiki.
And today we're going to be doing a
taste test video for the new Lay's 2015 like competition thing.
Yeah. So the first one we're gonna try is someone already tried it, clearly. So this is the wavy West Coast truffle fries. Hey,
Truffle fries.
Yeah, the West Coast truffle fries.
They smell like my guinea pig's food.
This is like what's in my mouth all over again. Is this actually gonna go in my mouth?
Yes.
We have to do it at the same time though, otherwise it's like worthless.
Go on.
Okay, that's too
like
big of a chip.
Give me the other half of that one. This is how much of babies we are.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. I like it.
Good.
It tastes like
the sour from onion.
Yeah.
They taste exactly like the sour cream and onion.
I need some dip now. Like ranch dip or something? Yeah, that would go good with that.
That is really good.
Okay, this is one.
Really good. Let's try the Reuben. I feel like the Reuben's gonna be really bad. That's disgusting.
Alright. Ew! It smells really gross.
It smells like
cabbage
in a fart. It smells like
just
meat.
Smells gross. That smells so bad.
Ready?
1.
Cheers.
This is horrible.
Oh my god. Ew! Oh my god. I didn't give a bite. It tastes like rotten meat.
I gotta go quick get out. I'll be
I'm
back.
not swallowing this. This is not touching my body. I taste it. Don't bother. It smells exactly like what it tastes.
Okay, let's move on.
Let's try this one.
How do you say that?
Alright, so this is the Greek town gyro.
Gyro?
I was thinking gyro. I don't think
Sorry,
it's
I can't pronounce anything to save my life.
It's either gyro or...
This one's kettle cooked. Okay. I hope it's not as bad as the other one. Doesn't it smell that bad? The other one smells worse.
It smells really bad.
Oh wait, never mind. I'm getting like this peppery smell.
I smell cardboard with like seasonings.
I smell yeah.
It smells stale. I've never had any of this. Oh my god, it smells really bad. No. This is too big.
It's fine.
Oh my god. It smells so bad.
I'm really scared.
It's so...
I'm just gonna tell you.
No, I can't. Is that a pepper? My mouth is so confused.
I don't like it. Oh, there's an aftertaste.
It's screaming so badly. Oh my god. That was so disgusting. I still taste it.
I know. Oh, that was. It's still in my mouth. Oh my god. Help me. Oh, it's making me sick. Oh, gross.
Alright, and finally, thank God, the last one. It's the Southern Biscuits and Gravy.
Look, I have a collection of drinks going on. Biscuits and gravy are good. I don't really.
How about in a chip?
My mom makes homemade biscuits. Good.
That's what it looks like. Thank you. It smells pretty good, actually. smells like a regular chip.
It smells like dessert.
No, keep smelling it for a while, just like what I just did.
Maybe not. I don't know. It smells like grease. It smells like garlic mashed potatoes.
I don't like the smell.
I like mashed potatoes. It smells like mashed potatoes.
Try it.
1, 2. It tastes like the French fry one.
Exactly like it.
Okay, I can swallow this one better than
You can taste the herb, if there's even any in here. I taste a lot.
It tastes like garlic. I could eat this one. I can't eat any of the other two are gross. That was disgusting. I'm not eating that one. I want it.
So these two were really, really bad. This was the best one, so go get your truffle on. And then this was my personal favorite. They smell really bad, but they taste
They
really
all
good.
smell horrible. This one was the best one. Give me the drink.
You know what? I actually really hate sparkling water, but this was the first thing I grabbed.
I saw you just like yours. So, we decided that the whole tasting thing was really, really lame. So we put all of the 4 really disgusting, nasty flavors into a bowl. We're gonna close our eyes and then we're gonna pick one. Okay, so we're gonna do it 4 times.
Are you farting?
No, I'm looking for something.
I know what this. Oh god. Ruben! You totally felt that around. Again, you idiot.
I'm not picking the gross one. Well, this is the truffle fry one, the one that I can actually eat.
She was feeling around until she got that one. That's not fair. I grabbed the first one I picked. That one's good. It tastes like sour cream. Okay. See? I get pooping again. I'm done. Why so high?
I'm putting your hand directly above the bowl.
I was like, oh no. Wait, it feels. Oh god.
You can open your eyes for this part, can't you?
It's a gyro. No? No, no, it's not. This is the biscuits. No, you put your hand in there. You can't keep touching it. As far as you touch it, you have to pick it up.
Mainly because I don't know what any of them are. Like, if I'll pick one and I won't know what it is.
Come on.
Okay, wait.
You gotta take it.
Oh no!
You can't open your eyes yet. It's not what you think it is.
I can feel it. I know what it's not. It's the Reuben. I taste it. I taste it.
We're done.
Do you want to taste it?
Wait, hold on. This is what a Reuben looks like. Can you smell? It's a Reuben!
I told you! Put your hand.
Wait, this is my left hand. This is my. I can't control it.
Exactly. Okay, fine. Use your other hand. Give me your hand. I'm gonna put it right over the bucket. Okay, your hand's right there. Now grab one.
No. Oh my god. Wait. Why do I get everything that tastes like wine?
I got one of those too. Hold on, wait.
Bowl's right there. Without even everyone. I can taste it.
What does it taste like?
I think I'm freaking Reuben.
Yes!
No! That's the one that you like. You have to eat more of these. You have to eat it. That's what
You didn't eat any of the other ones?
Yes, I did.
Okay, in my defense, I didn't eat any of the other ones I had either.
You have to at least bite it. A whole bite.
Maybe in case of karma. I'm gonna eat it. Hand.
On top of my head.
I don't think that one is a bad one though.
That was a biscuits and gravy.
Try.
Try it. Don't smell it. Don't.
It's a hero.
I got that one.
It's a gyro one.
Your breath smells.
Does it smell like garlic?
No, it smells like a Reuben.
It's not. It's gyro.
I know, but it smells like Reuben.
Ew! Aftertaste! I think that we've done enough suffering. I think we're done with this.
It smells like guinea pig food.
It's like it too.
Wait, it tastes really bad now.
Bye guys! It's Nikki!
And Kiki.
And we hope you enjoyed this video.
I hope you guys
It was
enjoyed
really
this.
gross. Don't eat this. Don't do it. It's disgusting. We suffered. I can't even begin to describe how disgusting it actually is. It's really gross. So yeah, it's gross. Really gross. Like horse poop gross. So don't try this. It's gross. Anyways, bye! Oh, I was like, why is it not...